Hit Facebook's follow limit? Here's how to safely expand your network. Are you following mostly personal profiles or pages? Let me know in the comments below. Facebook limits 5,000 friends plus 10,000 follows. Track your accounts in Friends. Clean up inactive follows first. Unfollow accounts which is not posting in 6+ months. Space out new follows. Never exceed 100 per hour or 1,000 per day. Verify your account. Confirmed profiles get higher limits. Convert some follows to page likes, they have separate limits. Growing again? If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.